Hello everybody, welcome back. What do we have here? We have a nice clean big clear bowl so that we can make some good slime and learn colors. That's fun. So the first ingredient we need is some school glue. I have a really big one. So let's pour the school glue in the clear bowl. Since I am making a big batch, I'm gonna pour a lot of it. The next ingredient that I'm using here is magic liquid. It is a kind of activator available easily at any store. Also, there are several ways you can make an activator at home, but make sure you use all the non-toxic ingredients. The one I'm using here is non-toxic, so whatever you buy or use at home, make sure it's non-toxic. Next, we are going to use the spoon to mix it. So we just need these two ingredients to make our slime. As you can see, it has already started to solidify a little bit. We just need to keep working through it. So after working a lot with it and mixing it together, we have now the perfect consistency of slime. As you can see, it is super smooth and buttery. Now I have 4 cups of different color: pink, yellow, blue and green. So let's divide the slime into 4 different equal parts. Now here comes the fun part. Let's add this slime in the yellow cup into the bowl and add some color to it. I'm gonna use some yellow food color. Here's the fun part. Now watch this white slime turn into bright, nice yellow color. Now let's add the slime in green cup into the bowl. Let's add some green food color into the slime. Here comes the fun part again. Now let's turn this slime into pink color. This looks so good. It has turned into cotton candy pink color. Now let's work our magic to turn this white slime into blue slime. Let's add some blue food color. And yeah, don't forget to look at the arrow. The pink slime there is gonna pop out. Do you see that? That's so cool! That's such a beautiful blue color with white streaks in it. I love it. We're now done with the last color. So now what I plan to do is mix some parts of all the 4 colored slime and let's see what it turns out to be. Oh wow, look at that blue slime popping out. That's so cool. Do you think we should pop it? Let's pop it. Oh. Look at the green and yellow slime. That has some bubbles too. That looks so fun. Oh my god, I love popping up those bubbles. Okay, so getting back to what we were doing, now we are going to take some part of slime from each color and see what it turns out to be. That's such a colorful bowl. Now let's mix them and form into a slime and see what color it turns out to be. That is such a beautiful color. As we keep working through this, we can see that the colors are now turning into bluish green. It still has some streaks of pink and blue though. So this is what it has turned out to be. So it was so much fun making slimes of 4 different colors and mixing them together. I hope you had great fun as much as I did. Give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Bye bye.